So this week my plan is going to be to take the wheels and suspension from this along with the headlights and swap it. I probably will take a few more things from this one, some of the little accessories that came on this. My plan was to turn this one back to stock and to sell it. Anybody out there looking for a 1GB, specifically a red 92, hit me up. So look at this wheel gap. I mean, look at this. Front. One of the issues this car was having was that the exhaust housing's cracked on it. But I do have a 16G turbo along with some 660 injectors. All right, as you can see, it's got the Mishimoto radiator. It's got a couple of Mishimoto fans. It's got this upper intercooler pipe. No lower intercooler pipe. It's rocking the 1G blow-off valve. It does have DSM link. It does also have, can't really see it, but AC. I'm excited about that. The 1G with AC. Oh my gosh. I got an extra Walbro fuel pump that I can throw in here. 255. So I think I've got pretty much everything to get a little bit more pep out of it. I do have a catback exhaust. Probably will just get a cheap downpipe. I don't have time to make one, so I'll just try to find something off eBay. And I think that'll be kind of it for the time being. It just runs solid, and I really want that to continue. It's got a heavy lifter click, you can hear it. Maybe at some point I'll go ahead and refresh the head, replace the lifters, and maybe put some cams in it. We'll see.
Believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy.